Interested in learning the basics of becoming a skilled human service case manager? Do you enjoy working with people in the community? Does your organization provide services to the community? At CM Training, we offer case management training for all. Also, we provide consulting and various human service training needed for you and your staff.
Hello, and welcome to another episode. Sorry, it's been a long time. I've been very busy, but I'm back again. I'm going to be dropping more content. Now I have a lot of time, so I want to thank everybody who has commented or liked my page, who has subscribed to my channel. Um, Thank you. Appreciate it. So today we are going to talk about how to market your services for all you new providers out there. Most of you, you start your agency and you are just thinking, I just want to get clients. I want to get clients. I want to get clients. I want client. But some of you never do the basic foundation. Remember, you are a business, right? You're not just providing services in the community. You're also a business. So you also got to think of the business side of your agency. You can't just say, I just want clients. Clients. That's all you hear. You're not going to get any clients if you don't set the foundation. Everything is about branding, marketing. If you don't have that installed in your agency, you will not get the amount of clients that you want. No one's going to look for you. No one's going to call you. No one's going to find you. Because you know why? Because you don't put yourself out there as a new agency. The reason why some agencies are able to really get the services of other of clients, CCS and family members and community members and all stakeholders, is because of how well they market their services. If you don't market your services, trust me, no one's gonna come look for you. You're gonna remain at the bottom. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even if you might get one or two clients, that's it. That's it. Some agencies, they know how to put it together. They know how to put it together. So today I'm going to show you how you can market your services. The first thing that you need to do, which is some of this stuff is common sense. And a lot of you, some of you, I think you just want to get in and just thinking about money, money, which is fine. I don't have a problem with that. But you also got to think, how do I say this is what you provide? And you give me the name of your company. And I go online and I can't find. Hold on, guys. I want to make sure my mic is working. Okay. Um, and I can't find your company. Most likely, I will not come with you. No. If you go to the Arc of Baltimore, what do you see? If you go to Chimes, what do you see? If you go to Creative Option, what do you see? If you go to Catholic Charities, what do you see? They all have websites. Walmart, Best Buy, any business that is out there that have a target audience or a target population, they have a website. Just because you're providing services to DDA clients doesn't mean you shouldn't get a website. You should. So the first thing that you need is a website. You need to have your location, phone number, all the services that you provide, your mission statement, your vision statement, you know, referral, how to submit a referral. Have all this stuff on your website, pictures. Now, if you want to put your team, like you, the CEO and uh, CFO and program director and all this other positions, that will even make it better. So people can see that this is a real legit company. So that's the first thing that you must do. Second thing, get on social media. Create a Facebook page, Instagram, I think I spelled LinkedIn wrong, and Twitter. Get on LinkedIn. Who's on LinkedIn? Can anyone tell me who's on LinkedIn? A lot of service coordinators. They're on LinkedIn. Trust me, they're on LinkedIn. It's a professional website. And a lot of other providers are on LinkedIn. Get on LinkedIn. Share content every week. Even saying a simple Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Veterans Day, Happy President's Day, Happy New Year. Hello, this year we have some openings for personal support, supported living, nursing support. You put that there, you are now getting engagement. You start putting pictures, you start posting content. So the next thing you do is sign up for Google My Business. Make sure that you have your company address, your phone number, and the services that you provide. So whoever is in that area looking for, okay, let's say a mom needs personal support. She gets on the internet and types in uh, a DDA agency that provide personal support near me. And if you are the closest person, you're the one that she's going to be calling. Everybody's on the internet. Do not, do not think the internet is just there. The internet is there for you. So when you type in, when someone types in looking for personal support, supported living residential, you're going to come up. All right. The next thing is create content. Videos is good. Maybe your program director do a monthly greeting. Hi, my name is John Wilson. I am the program director of So Company. Here we provide residential services, personal support, supported living, and respite services. If you're in the area of Baltimore County and you would like to contact us, if you're looking for services, please give us a call at this number or send us an email. Boom. Put it on YouTube. Put it on Instagram. Put it on Facebook. Put it on LinkedIn. And put it on Twitter. Also, he can do another one. Hi, I just want to take this time to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from So Agency. Drop that content. Hi, everybody. This year we will be providing free turkeys at our agency. If you would like to get a free turkey, please visit us on the 17th of November, 2025. Finish. That's content. Create flyers that you can put on LinkedIn, you can put on Facebook, and you can put in the library, you can put anywhere. Also, you can have an open house where you do once a month, you do an open house where you have like cookies, donuts, whatever, juice, where you present the services that you provide. Hi, good morning. This is an hour. We just want to introduce us and we in the community. This is what we provide. We provide personal support. Our personal support. We have staff who are trained. We make sure that all our staff are trained before they go out and work with any individual. You talk about your supported living. You talk about your residential. Your program director will speak. Your nurse that you have will speak. Your CEO that you have will speak. Your one of your direct support professionals will speak. You make it very professional, and trust me, people will have more respect for your agency. If you don't market, no one's gonna come. If you don't build it, no one's gonna come. That's the problem a lot of people are having. Have a solid marketing strategy in order to get clients and to get more clients. Most people come in the door. How do I get clients? Did you set everything up first? Set it up. Because if you don't have a website and someone is trying to refer you, how do they get in contact? How do they know you're real? Most people are cautious nowadays. So I suggest get a website. So anyway, guys, thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you can get all my videos every time I post one. And don't forget, if you want to join my Patreon, also hit the link below for exclusive videos of how to be a provider in Maryland. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.